Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Tame Pets Seller. If you have not subscribed our channel, please click on subscribe button and the bell icon. Hello friends, in today's video I will show you how to hand feed African lovebirds chicks. You have to feed them for every 4 hours and you have to make a proper hand feeding formula. The formula should not be thick, rather it must be thin. Friends, as you all know, this breeding pair has bred first time, so they don't have experience to feed the kids properly, due to which 2 kids died. Now, as they are very small, I have to forcefully take them for hand feed to keep them alive. Day by day, the chicks are growing properly. You can see they are getting feathers and they are taking the hand feed very properly. Now, the little one had got full feather and they have become very naughty, very playful too. They take their hand feed properly and they're crazy for that. Now, they are playing with my son. They are very friendly with my kids. They love to spend their time with my kids, and even my kids love to play with them. They are fully grown now. Now they can fly their own, and they are crazy about my kids. They love to be with my kids. They are very friendly with humans, safe to play with our kids. They don't bite. They just want we to take them and play with them. That's all for today. Hope you have a wonderful day.